this forever, yeah. I want this forever, yeah. I want this.
So, okay, I feel so naked. Hold on. This is so much better. So, hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. When this is your first time coming, welcome. Thanks. We appreciate every bit, every second, every minute that you spend on this channel. I don't think I ever introduced myself. Like, this was this, like, my fourth video, and I still didn't introduce myself. Well, hi. My name is Ange. Angelina is my real name, but everyone calls me Ange. And I'm 20-something years old. I'm 20-something years old. I love making videos. So, like, as long as I can remember, I always, like, had a camera and, like, made videos. I'm always snapping, always record myself. I was like, why not just make a YouTube doing stuff I love? Like, duh. I love doing makeup. I just started doing other people's makeup. So if you're from Philly or in that area, book me, you know. But anywho, my channel is going to be about beauty, as you can tell. I'm going to do like finance, tax, budgeting tips, because that's my profession, my, you know, main profession right now. And then I'm going to do like rants and stuff. I think I'm going to have a series called Show We Wine About It, or Let's Wine About It, where I'm going to have some wine. And I'm just going to talk about something. I'm just going to talk, like just rant. Like a girl talk type joint, but we're going to have our wine. Let's wine about it. Like wine, but like wine. You get it? Ah, you get it. Okay. I have a lot of different video ideas. I like brainstorm and write down ideas all the time. So it's going to be a whole bunch of everything. I can't wait for my channel to, I can wait and I will wait. But I'm going to be so excited when my channel expand. And we have so, and our family members are so, like, we have so many family members, and our family is so big here at AC Aesthetics with all the AC stars. I don't know. I gotta come up with a cute name for when I have all these subscribers, and y'all need a cute name. I just like threw this little hair wrap on because I did not feel like doing my hair. It was really real. You just, yeah, there was some edge control on, throw a wrap, beat the face. It's cool. You could go out like, tell me I ain't snatch right now. Oh, okay. So, anywho, I did a tutorial on this look, mainly the eyes, because I did the face and, oh my god, I did not set my face. Maybe I did. I did the face in like a previous video, and my routine was like exactly the same. So I will show like clips of it, but I won't do a voiceover, and I won't go in depth about what's going on because it's the same stuff. I did try a couple new products though, so I might, you know, have my little voiceover and my little opinions of it. I used the jamescharles Morphe palette. I finally got my hands on it. So I did like a little orange bronze look. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what y'all want to say. Thanks. So I will be using a different concealer to clean up my eyebrows. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I just liked it better than the color mixture of the two LA Girl Pro concealers I used last time. So I just wanted to see if it blended out well and stuff and covered well, which it really did. So I'll probably be using this from now on to clean up my eyebrows. I was recording a look and I used glitter. I don't know if I can see this damn glitter all over my face. And it was a mess. Like, I can't stand glitter. Like, I do not like working with it. It's just so messy. I just hate it so much. So I like took it off. I was pissed. I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to record a look. And then in the midst of that, look who came. It literally just got delivered not even 30 seconds ago. Like, I am so excited. So now she's creating a look from here. That's what I'm about to do. And I'm reviewing it, period. Say no, I ain't going for it because I don't like talking in my videos. It's like, oh my gosh. Did I get a side one? No, I ain't get a side one. It's cool though. Oh yes, it's so big. Like, look how huge this is. Oh, I always go for colors like this. Like, this is what I want to do. I'm gonna do it. I don't care. I'll probably do like a copper and a brown. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Woo! Ready, set, go! I'm going with the P. Louise eye base in the shade 4, I believe. This does the same thing as concealer, so it helps the eyeshadows to stick to my eye and make them very pigmented. And then I'm going to use the same brush that I used in the last video. I believe it's a crown brush. I'll put it on the screen, on the actual video, I mean. And then I'm going to use my fingers to even it out so that the eye base isn't like clumped up. Oh, the shade that I'm taking is not actually my transition color. My transition shade is like my crease shade. So I'm putting that in first, and then I'm going to blend it out with my transition shade, which you'll see in a bit. It's going to be like that tan color. It'll be on the screen. But clearly I was like appalled. Like, I could not believe how pigmented this shade was. Like, I literally dipped my brush one time, and look how I can keep packing it on and keep blending it out. I am here for this palette. Thank you, jamescharles. Thank you, sister. I'm shook. Like, I just don't know. Like, what? Like, what's going on? That little bit that I used, look at how much. It's so pigmented, and I am just able to spread that. Like, I haven't dipped my brush in yet. So this is the transition shade. I'm going to use that to blend out the shade that's in my crease and get rid of that line. And then I'm going to take like this dense pointy brush. I was dropping something, but I'm going to take this brush and add some definition, some depth into this look by applying a darker brown right on the outer corner of my eye and bringing it just a little bit into the crease. But I'm like pressing that color in and just blending it out just a little bit because I want to keep those colors, that color focused right in that area. I'm going back in with that transition shade and just blending all those colors together. Now I'm adding black to this look, which is like so tricky. Start off with a very little bit of black because black can go so wrong so fast and it's so hard to fix. So I'm literally just taking a little bit and just patting it onto my outer corner, and I start in a very small area and then I start to build it up. I'm going to bring it a little bit into the crease because I just think it looks better. It gives it more definition so the look doesn't look so bland and so one-dimensional. You see, like, I just feel like even that little bit just added a little drama to the look. So I'm just like dragging it a little bit into my crease. But this Morphe brush is everything. So it was like applying and blending at the same time. So it's like I barely did any work. But then I'm going to go back in with that brush in that darker brown shade that I put in right before that black and just blend out the edges of it. Because you do not want any harsh lines. Blending is the key to everything that has to do with makeup. Like, seriously. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm going to use that P. Louise base again. And I apply that right onto my lid and then look up to figure out where I need to fake my crease at. Because if I cut my crease right on my real crease, then the colors will transfer to that spot where the P. Louise base went when I looked upward. So to avoid any transferring, I just create my own crease so that I don't have to worry about that. The shadow will already be there. It will already be part of the look, so it won't mess up. And then afterwards, after I apply that and kind of drag it out, I did like a half cut crease, so I don't bring the cut all the way down. I just stop right halfway cut crease. You get it? Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply like this tan shade right onto that P. Louise base to act as a base for the shimmers that I'll put on later. And then I also apply this orange right over top of that, and I'm gonna go back in with that brown and apply that right between the black and the orange, just to give it a smooth transition, a smooth blend, a smooth gradient effect. I decided to bring that black shade in just a little bit more. I don't know, I just felt like it'll look better. I wanted it a little bit more smoky and dramatic, so I just added some more black and used the same techniques I used before. So now I'm going to apply shimmers. It's so important to me to have a like moist brush when you're applying shimmers. I just feel like it holds better, it picks up more pigment, and it applies better. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm taking this like copper shade and just applying it over top of that orange, where the orange is. Then I also take a gold, which I don't show you, and I do the same exact thing. These shades were so smooth and soft and buttery. Like, I don't know what Morphe and Jamescharles was over there doing it, but they cooked up something great. I cannot wait to try out the rest of the colors. Like, I just feel like that's going to be my go-to palette. Like, I won't need any other palette since I got this. But I'm going to just continue to keep applying. Like, I don't have to say so many words. This is why I be sounding so stupid. I'm done talking to y'all. Bye. I'm back just to say this is called reverse contouring, so it helps define the contour and really bring it out by putting powder underneath where you contour it. And then I did not contour my nose. I rarely ever do it. I don't know why I decided to do it, but I'm just putting that shade right on the side of my nose and where my point is, and then I'm taking that powder and bringing it in right beneath that contour line. Again, reverse contouring my nose too, and then I'm just blending it all out. Y'all know. And this time I took my Urban Decay All Nighter spray, which I love, and I usually only spray that if I'm going out. I don't know why I picked it up for just filming this video, but that's what I'm using. I love, love, love. It's a must-have for like if you're going out for a long night. It helps your makeup stay and last and stay beautiful. Yeah. Okay, now I'm using blush. I don't know. I just use all these new things like in this video that I don't usually do. But now, y'all know I don't do my lashes on camera because I'm a hot mess when it comes to that. Using my favorite lippy. Oh, I love this lip. And then I'm going to do my under eye. Just using that orange shade and putting it right under my waterline. And here is the finished look. Serving y'all face. Yes, yes. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye-bye.